Hello viewers, now let's look at this problem together. Solve 7 raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 33. So how do you do this? Now the first thing is to find a way of expressing this left hand side as difference of two squares, right? So I want this to have a power of 2 and this to also have a power of 2. Alright, so how do we do that? So I have 7 raised to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of 2. You see, when you use this to multiply this, you have x. Right, so minus 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x equals to 33. Right? So now you have 7 raised to the power of x divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 minus, now you can bring this in while 2 goes out. You have 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 equals to 33. 33 is the same thing as 3 times 11. Right? So now the next thing is to apply your principle of difference of two squares. So now this left hand side we turn to 7 raised to the power of x over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of x times 7 raised to the power of x over 2 plus 2 raised to the power of x equals to 3 times 11, right? So now when you look at this equation, you will see that this is equivalent to 3 and the second term here is equivalent to 11, right? So now we have 7 raised to the power of x over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of x equals to 3. Call this equation 1, and the 7 raised to the power of x over 2 plus 2 raised to the power of x equals to 11. That is equation 2. Alright, so the next thing is to add the two equations together. So when you add this and this together, you have 2 of 7 raised to the power of x over 2. Right? So when you add this and this together, you have 0. But they are of the same terms but opposite signs. So now add this and this together, you have 14. Okay, so you can divide both sides by 2. So you have 7 raised to the power of x over 2 equals to 14 over 2. So and that gives you 7 raised to the power of x over 2 equals to 7. 7 is the same thing as 7 over 1. Now the base are equal, so you can equate the powers. So we have x over 2 equals to 1. So 1 is the same thing as 1 over 1, so you cross multiply. We have x equals to 2. And that is the value of x. Thanks for watching.